everyone. In this video, we will see about how to create free website by using Canva. Normally, by using Canva, we might use e-certificate, flyer, poster presentation, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook thumbnail, and all. Now the Canva has introduced a feature of free website creation. Now let's see how to create the beautiful free website. So the first step is go to Google and type Canva and click over the Canva website. So you can get a home page of Canva and you can click sign up for free. So by using Gmail ID, you can create free account in Canva. So free account itself, you can have many features in Canva. Okay. So this is the home page of Canva. So in dashboard, we have many features. Now we can see how to create the website. Okay. So you can click here the website. So you can get a number of templates. Okay. So you can select any templates among these designs. Okay. So for example, you should click website or a business website, portfolio, event website, education website. Okay. So for example, let me click education website. Okay. So this will take to the new page. So you can get a workspace area. Left hand side, you can select any templates, and right hand side, you select any templates, it will be moved here. Okay. So you can find the elements, text, okay, upload options. If you want any image or picture, you can upload here. So if you have already saved any photos or image, you can upload from here. Okay. So these are the preliminary options you want to know. So you can select education website or any other website. Okay. So whatever the website templates, so you can change anything. Okay. Right. For example, let me select this template. Okay. So you can choose any template. Okay. If it is paid, so there will be pro icon. Okay. So that is paid version. So you can't edit this. So most of the templates are free. So you can select any template. Okay. Let me click this template. Okay. So apply all 7 pages. Okay. So under this template, 7 pages are there. You just click apply all the pages. Okay. So it will be moved here, right hand side. This is the space area. Okay. Now we want to edit this text. Okay. For example, you can enter the name. Okay. For example, enter my name. And under this heading, I can add one more text. Okay. Just I can edit like this. Now I want to change this picture. So I want to insert my picture. Okay. So just click here and you can left hand side, you can see the upload option. If you click the upload option, so you can get your photos or any other image. Okay. So I already inserted a photo from my laptop. Okay. I just click this photo and just drag the photo here. Okay. So simply you can get your own image. So that's it. So easily you can prepare any web page. Okay. For example, if you don't want, you can delete this. Okay. And left hand side, you can see some move down option. Okay. And the duplicate page. If you want to get the same page, you can click duplicate page. Okay. So the same page will be moved. Okay. So if you don't want, you can delete. Right. And add page. For example, in the same page, if you want to add any more text, suppose if you want the same page, you can add a page. Okay. So like that, you can create on your web pages. Okay. And this is the second page. Okay. So based on your need, so it's an education website or personal website. Okay. So whatever you need to prepare, so you can easily prepare. Just click the text box, you can edit the text and your whole text. Okay. And you can change the image or picture. Okay. So likewise, you can prepare many pages. Okay. Suppose if you want to change the picture, just double click the picture. Okay. So you can also edit the photo. You click edit photo options, you can also edit. You can insert any pictures. Okay. And if you want to give animation, you can click animate. Okay. For example, animation, so you can click like this. Okay. So if you want to place the position of the image, so you can select from this position option. Okay. So these are the major tools you can use your creation of website. Okay. So this is the next page, so you can edit your text or images on your own. For example, let me select this picture. Okay. If you want to give animation, just click. Okay. So in website also give animation, so it will give you a beautiful look on your web page. Okay. For example, yes. So I can select this picture. So I can give a animation. I can select this picture. Okay. So this way you can give animation for your pictures. Okay. And if you want to insert any link, okay, for example, just select this. Okay, so I have already copied the link and I have pasted it here. Okay, for example, you can change the title. Okay, YouTube link. Okay, just type YouTube link. Okay, and I am going to paste it here. Okay, YouTube link, and just click this link. Once you copy the link and you can paste it here. Okay. Yes. So if you click this link and you can click done. Okay. So in web page, if you click the YouTube link, if any viewers can click the link, so it will be opened. Okay. So likewise, you can edit your text, image or links. Right. So this is the demo version. I just give you important things. Okay. So yes, so you can change this contact us. Okay, institution address or any address you can give. Okay, Facebook ID or YouTube ID or any other social media ID you can give. Okay, so like that you can prepare your own website. Very simple steps, no special skills required, no soft skills required. Okay, simply if you know the editing options and the copy paste options, okay, we can easily create our own beautiful personal or educational website. Okay, this may be shared to any other teachers, students. Okay, so definitely they will get different experience and they will get many resources from your website. And once you have done everything, you can click preview options. Okay, you just click preview and you can have a preview options how your prepared website look like. Okay, yes, so this way you can have a look. Okay, I didn't prepare completely for demo purpose. I have prepared 2 pages only, right? So once if it is done, so you can just close it here and you can click publish website. Okay, so after publishing website you can also click insights. Okay, if you click insights, so how many members and how many views have we gone through this website, so you can also check here. Okay, so once you complete, so after publishing your website, after that also you can edit anything. Okay, on your login and you can simply edit, so it will be changed. Okay, so you can maintain your website freely for long time. Now let me click publish website. Okay, when you click publish website, so you can find the right hand side. Okay, publish to the web, and it will ask some options. Okay, publish to free domain. Yes, so I have selected free domain. Right, just click continue option and you can give your domain name. Okay, for example, let me give my name. Okay, you just give your name and you can click continue options. So you can get review settings, and this is Thangavelu my Canva site. So this is your URL address. Okay, and website description. So if you want to give any description, you can give. Okay, so this is enable password protection option. Okay, and if you don't want to publish your website, so you can also enable this, hide my website from search engines. Okay, if you don't want it, you just disable this. Okay, and you just click publish option. Okay, so it is preparing our website design. So once it is prepared, so you can get a beautiful website. Okay, I copy this link, and also if you want to click view website, you can also have a view of your website. Okay, so you can get a web link of your page. Okay, website address you can get. So in your name also you can create a website. Okay, so once you have prepared everything, so you can share your web link to your friends or any other students. Okay, so this way we can prepare a beautiful personal website, educational website for our teaching profession or any other business purpose also. So no special skills required. Only if we have basic skills, we can easily prepare our beautiful website. So this video will be very useful. We will see in another interesting video. Thank you so much.